Hello guys, welcome to Maha Educational Channel. Today's topic is Chemical Equilibrium Chemistry First Year. Most important questions for IPE. Everyone should know. First question. What is homogeneous equilibrium? Write to homogeneous reactions. Most important. And this is also what is heterogeneous equilibrium? Write to heterogeneous reaction. Define chemical equilibrium constant. Write the relation between Kp and Kc. And the fifth question, give two chemical equilibrium reaction for which Kp is equal to Kc. Sixth question, all Bronsted bases are Lewis bases. Explain. All Lewis acids are not Bronsted acids. Explain. Eighth question, what is conjugate acid base pair? Give example. Ninth question, give two examples of salt whose aqueous solutions are basic. And the 10th question, give examples of salts whose aqueous solutions are acidic. And the 11th question, guys, define pH of a solution, write its significance. Okay. 12th question, calculate the pH of. These questions are most important for 2 marks. 10 power minus 3 mHCl, M means molarity. Calculate the pH of 0.05 m NaOH solution. Concentration of hydrogen ion is 3.8 into 10 power minus 3 m. What is its pH? Calculate the hydrogen ion is 3.8 into 10 power minus 3 m. What is its pH? This is also important. Calculate the pH of 0.05 m H2SO4 solution. Derive the Kp and Kc relation for the reaction PCl5 useless 2 reversible reaction PCl3 plus Cl2. Derive the relation between Kp and Kc for the equilibrium reaction. They given 2 N2 plus 3H2 useless irreversible reaction 2NH3, 2SO2 plus O2 reversible reaction 2SO3. State Le Chatelier's principle and apply the same to the following equilibrium. N2 plus 3H2 reversible reaction 2NH3 delta H is equal to minus 92 kilojoule. And 19, discuss the application of Le Chatelier's principle for the industrial synthesis of ammonia. These two questions are most important questions. Everyone, the chemistry, MPC students or BPC students should learn these two questions. So these are important for 4 marks questions. Explain the Bronsted-Lowry theory, base theory with example. Explain Lewis acid base theory with examples. Define pH of a solution, write its significance. 24th, state and explain salt hydrolysis. I will mark the most important question. Most important question. I marked the question which are most important. Make a screenshot. Once again I will show you. 6. Okay. Then learn these questions which are marked for the students who cannot pass. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.